How to fix laptop fan noise issue. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix laptop fan noise issue. So before we begin, if you're new here, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. And without any further ado, let's dive right in. So to fix a noisy laptop fan, you'll need to clean the dust from the vents using compressed air. There are multiple things that you can do, so let's go step by step. First is clean the vents and the fan. Just shut down the computer, unplug it, remove the battery, and use compressed air to clear out the intake and exhaust vents at an angle. So you can also give your device up for servicing. You can clean it out. You can let the professionals handle it as well. The other thing that you can do is reduce your CPU load. For that, open up your task manager, search for task manager, then open this up, and you can sort it by CPU. So tap on the CPU option, and this will show you the processes that is taking up most of your CPUs. So simply you can use monitoring system as well. For this, you can remove the process which is taking up most of your CPU, and also make sure that it is not really necessary. So you can quit unnecessary processes. So find a process that is taking up your CPU the most and it's really power hungry, maybe 20%, 30% of the CPU here. And then all you have to do is tap on this end task button after you've selected the process and do that. After that, the other thing that you can do is improve your ventilation and power setting. Make sure that you use your laptop or your device on a hard surface. Don't use it on a soft bed or blanket that blocks the vent, since heating up your laptop will have the fan running, and you can adjust your power as well. So yeah, do those, and if it still does not work, you might have to get your laptop checked. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.